Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the sleek and stylish Pfister 9-20025J replacement part in a stunning brushed nickel finish. This tub spout is designed to seamlessly blend with your existing bathroom decor, offering both functionality and elegance. The brushed nickel finish not only adds a touch of sophistication but also provides durability and resistance to corrosion, ensuring long-lasting beauty. With its easy installation process, this replacement part is perfect for those looking to upgrade their bathroom fixtures without hassle. The Pfister 9-20025J is part of the renowned Catalina collection, known for its timeless design and reliable performance. Whether you're renovating your entire bathroom or just updating a single fixture, this tub spout is an excellent choice for enhancing your space. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more product insights and reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.